Sign up for Shopify. In this lecture, I will show you how you sign up for Shopify. Okay, once we are at the home page of Shopify, I'm gonna navigate to Get Started. And I'm gonna enter here my email address, jared@udemy.hotmail.com. And I'm gonna enter my password for the store. And I'm gonna enter my store name. I'm gonna enter Skate Store. Okay, that's already taken, so I put some things here. Okay, and I'll click on the blue button, Create Your Store. Okay, we are creating your store, that's great. So we are nearly there. We are nearly at the dashboard of Shopify. Okay, success, your store is ready to go. Okay, now we will be redirected to the Shopify dashboard. After this. Okay, I'm gonna enter here, I am not selling products yet. Yes, I have a product and I will be ready to launch in a few weeks. And we are just getting started. Yes, I'm designing a store for a client. Hit next. Okay, and here you must enter your name and your last name and your address. I'm gonna put something different because I don't want to give my information to them. Okay, and I will enter here, this zip code and phone number and my domain name. Okay, that's gonna be mirioweb.com. Okay, now I'll hit the blue button, enter my store, and we will be redirected to the Shopify dashboard. We will wait, I'm still with you. Okay, that's great, you have successfully set up Shopify. It's still loading. Okay, we're gonna cover a lot of things in this dashboard. We're gonna go from orders to products to customers to analytics to marketing to discounts to apps. We're gonna cover everything in this dashboard. Okay, I will see you in my next lecture.